Well, hi everyone, and welcome to Workshop Wednesday, where we have a look at what I've been working on over the last couple of weeks. Well, in fact, it's only been the last couple of days because I've been really busy, but I stopped everything when this arrived. The Dark Age and Medieval Market Stall from Victrix. It's made especially for the Pillage game, but you could use this for anything. Lion Rampant, Rangers of Shadow Deep, or just your D&D games, to make some terrain up and create a market stall, an interactive pretty scene. And what you actually get in the set, I've been waiting for this, you get 4 lots of sprues. Now, the big sprue here is actually you get 2 of the same, and I've used about half of it to create this amount, and so if you do the whole lot, you have got a lot of little pieces. It's a great little set, and I can just run through what you get in a moment. But the 2 smaller sprues, and you do get one sheet here with the instructions on how to build it, though it is pretty simple, I should say. Now, one of the sprues is barrels, and I've made up a couple of those, which I'll show you, and the other one is sacks. It's a marketplace and trading and selling, and the sacks are terrific. There's one here which is a stack of 3 sacks laying on their side, and then there's sort of individual ones of different shapes, and they're all kind of a bit individual, all a bit different. It's not just bang 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 the same, which I really like. So you get the market stall itself there. I've done some basic work on it, but I'm going to colour that. Now, I should point out, in that magazine that I mentioned, the free downloadable one, there's 2 different colour schemes in there, and then there's some ideas on there if you're wanting to see what sort of scheme or colours you should use. The work on the details are really good, and it's kind of historically based as well. Victrix do great research, and the textures on these benches on the tabletop is really excellent. Now, there's a little fireplace here, which is good. It's got a little burner underneath, which I haven't painted yet, and so that sits together, and I love it. And there's food, there's fish and cheese and ham and chicken. Where's the chicken basket gone? Oh, there it is. There's a little basket. You can put a chicken inside, or you can have the chicken running around, and I'm really looking forward to doing this. I'm going to kind of set up a series of these so they can be done in a modular fashion. What I used, I suddenly remembered after I'd primed it that I had this little set from Vallejo, and it's called the WizKids series. The premium paints, just as good as what you would normally buy, but they come in the small eyedropper bottle, the smaller size. And so it's a great little introductory set. You also get instructions, a few ideas on how to work with wooden surfaces, and also for metal grates and things like that. And for these ones in particular, I started out a couple of days ago with the heavy sienna, priming obviously first in black, a heavy sienna to give it that nice deep colour, then a nice wash to go into the crevices, and that's just the black wash. And then I'm going to dry brush it tonight with a lighter colour, and this is a Parasite Brown. So when I do the next one of these, I'll show you some of the finished models, but I'm thinking that's quite a good set. I will put a link to that in the description below. So why don't you subscribe to the channel or like it so you can find this in the future. Now, with Victrix, I'm really looking forward to their Farm Animals set. It's just been released. I got an email today. That looks fantastic as well. Historically based animals, cows and sheep and the goats, etc., pigs and chickens and ducks. And so that's going to mesh in with this really well. I'm envisaging it's going to cover quite a big lot of area, so it can be fought over. You can use these as loot. I'm not going to stick them down, so they can be moved around and thrown around. But there's other smaller things will be. I'm also very interested in the Irish set that's coming up, and I'll possibly wait on the animals and buy them at the same time. It takes a while to come out from the UK. I do have an Irish army, and I'm rather pleased with it. I can't quite remember what the models are. Somebody might be able to tell us. Some wonderful cloaks and people in there, some nice characters, but I'm sure the Victrix set will be great. They're also got the Irish Wolfhounds, and so that's one of the main reasons I'm buying that particular set. So that's it. If you haven't already seen it, I think it's a really versatile set, and it's coming together really nicely. I'm taking my time on it, and but hopefully in the next episode of Workshop Wednesday, I'll be able to show you what I've done. So happy gaming till then.